Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to send video clips in your PlayStation 5 messages. So let's go ahead, jump in the video right now. So there's a couple different ways that you can go ahead and do this. So first I'm going to go ahead and hold down the share button and then go over to my video clips right here and go to my media gallery. Then under the media gallery, if we select a clip, so let's select one of these Call of Duty clips and press options over it. And then right at the top, if we go to share, we can share this on YouTube, Twitter, but if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see your parties that you can share to, like my B team party or my friends are actually listed as parties. So like Action 6 right here. So let's send it to Action 6. Then we can just go to enter message if we want to go ahead and do that, or just send the video clip. So let's press X on this and send it. So that's going to have to be uploaded before it's sent. You can see under downloads, uploads, the video is now calculating the remaining time to upload. So once it's done uploading, which is about 3 or 4 minutes, it will go ahead and be sent as a video clip. Now let's go over to my messages. So let's go to Gamebase and scroll down. So here's Action 6, the person I just sent the video clip to. Let's go to messages now and then go to view message. So under here, you can see the video clip is now uploading. So I already sent the video clip earlier, and this is kind of what it looks like. And it's decent quality. You can also get this in the PlayStation app as well. If you have the messages in there, the video clip will display. However, it won't play on the PlayStation 4 as of right now. So let's watch this clip and finish it up and press O and exit. Now, another way that you can easily share video clips is once you're in the message with the person, whether it's a party or if it's an individual, you can go to this little icon right here that has the video clip and the picture icon by it and select this and then go to video clip and then you can select your video clip from here. So let's select this Minecraft one and just go to send. And then that will upload and it will be sent as well. So once it's done uploading, it has to process. So, depending on how long the video clip is, it can take a while for it to actually be displayed to people. So it's not like an instant thing. So it's very, very easy to send video clips on the PlayStation 5 as a message. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.